Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. In this video, we are going to talk about a recruitment for IT officers announced by Punjab National Bank. There are 10 vacancies and there is experience required of 2 to 3 years. So we are going to see the notification details in this video. This is the recruitment PDF. This is attached in the description below. You can also find this on the PNB careers page. Also, there is a Google form added in the description. If you have any queries, you can write those in the Google form. The opening date for online registration is 3rd of March and the last date is 24th of March. You can fill the form till 24th of March. Tentatively, the exam may be in April or May 2025. There are 10 vacancies, 5 for manager and 5 for senior manager in the IT domain. We'll look at the details of these. There are also vacancies for data scientist, 3 vacancies for data scientist in manager profile and 2 vacancies in the senior manager profile. Coming to the eligibility criteria, age, education qualification, post-education qualification, work experience and job roles, all is mentioned in Annexure 1. So we'll look at it in a while. The closing date of registration is 24th of March and the cutoff date for eligibility is also 24th of March. Coming to the selection procedure, there will be one online written exam followed by interview. In the online written test, you will have part 1 which is quant reasoning English and part 2 which is your professional knowledge. 25 questions in reasoning, 25 in English and 50 questions in quantitative aptitude. In professional knowledge, these 50 questions are of 100 marks. The total paper is of 2 hours. There is no sectional timing mentioned over here. After that, there will be personal interview. The personal interview will be of 50 marks. So final cutoff will be out of 200 plus your interview, that is 250 marks. Moving to Annexure 1 for eligibility. For manager IT post, this is a scale 2 post. Your age should be between 25 to 35. You should have a full-time degree in BE, BTech in computer science, information technology or information science. Or you can have full-time MCA from any institute, college, university with 60% marks or equivalent grade. Desirable is having MTech. Mandatory is certification present in either GenAI, AI, ML certification from recognized certification platforms, training providers such as Coursera, Udemy, or training providers such as AWS, Azure, GCP. So you should have a mandatory certification, which is a valid certification on the closing date, which is 24th of March. तब तक आपके पास कोई ना कोई सर्टिफिकेशन होनी चाहिए. Then there is post education qualification work experience as on the closing date of registration. Minimum 2 years experience in the IT systems in deploying AI ML models. Desirable is all this experience. This is your job role as an IT officer in scale 2. Then coming to senior manager, this is a scale 3 post. Age can be between 27 and 38. Again, mandatory is your bachelor's degree. Desirable is your full-time degree, ME, MTech. Certifications are mandatory for scale 3 post. Here, minimum 3 years experience is required. For manager post, 2 years is minimum experience. For senior manager, 3 years is the minimum experience. Then coming to the data scientist vacancies for scale 2, 25 to 35 is the age. For scale 3, 27 to 38. BE, BTech should be in information technology, computer science or data science from any institute, college, university recognized or approved by government bodies with 60% marks. You can have full-time master's degree in any of these domain. Mandatory is again those certifications. Minimum 2 years experience for scale 2 post, minimum 3 years experience for scale 3 post. So you can check out these details. As of now, the syllabus is not given, but you can start reading and revising your IT subjects. You can also focus more on AI, machine learning concepts. That is all about this notification. You can read the other details. You can also ask your queries either in the comment below or fill the Google form and let us know if you require anything for this exam preparation. That is all for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Enroll with iExamB and make your preparation 50% faster. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.